Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to log into your Venmo account. Whether you're new to Venmo or just need a refresher, I've got you covered, so let's jump right in. First things first, you need to open the Venmo app or on your smartphone or visit the Venmo website. If you're using the app, make sure it's up to date by checking your app store for any available updates. If not, simply go to venmo.com if you're using a web browser. Once you're on the Venmo app or website, you see the login screen. Here you need to enter your email address or phone number associated with your Venmo account and your password. Make sure you type in the correct details. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, just click on the forgot password link to reset it. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, Venmo will ask you to enter a verification code sent to your phone or mail. Check your phone or mail for the code, enter it in the provided field and click submit. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Venmo home screen where you can review your recent transactions, send money or check your balance. And that's it, you're now logged into your Venmo account.